Welcome to the Weather Center. We have here this cold front which is going to be pushing some cloud onto parts of the south coast for the first half of your day, giving us light rain and drizzle in places over these parts of the country. Over eastern South Africa, we are going to see isolated to scattered thunderstorms starting early in the day, persisting throughout your Monday and continuing well into your Monday night. Otherwise, it's going to be mostly fine for much of the western parts of the country, although we could see some fog and low cloud creeping onto parts of the west coast. Now, this Monday, you can expect scattered thunderstorms where you see the dark shade of blue over the southeastern areas across much of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. Isolated thundershowers are forecast where you see the light shades of blue across eastern South Africa. And just a 20% chance of drizzle is forecast for the southwest coastline, especially for the first half of your Monday. Now, we are going to see isolated thundershowers this Monday for much of the northwest and parts of Gauteng, but the storms are going to be scattered for the Limpopo and Mpumalanga provinces. Hot for Mbombela and Palabora, both peaking at 32 degrees. Pretoria makes it to 30 degrees this afternoon. A high of 31 is forecast for Mahikeng. Isolated thundershowers are also forecast across much of the Free State, but scattered storms are possible for the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, where Pietermaritzburg should warm to around 27 degrees. Cooler as we go towards the Eastern Cape, where rain and thundershowers are expected this Monday. A high of 23 is forecast around Grahamstown. We are also going to have thundershowers along much of the East Coast. Light rain for Port Elizabeth with a high of around 24 degrees. And we're expecting moderate to fresh winds along much of the East Coast. Thundershowers are also possible for Graafrenet and Somerset East, where highs in the upper 20s are expected. It's going to be pretty quiet for the Western Cape, where temperatures in the lower 30s are forecast over the interior. Partly cloudy to cloudy skies are forecast for the south coast, where light to moderate onshore winds are forecasted this Monday. A 2.5-meter swell is forecast off the south coast, with the swell coming from the southwest. It's going to be sunny and hot for much of the Northern Cape, with a small chance of thundershowers for the eastern areas. Upington should warm to around 36 degrees. Partly cloudy skies continue for Cape Town, warming to 27 this afternoon, and we're expecting swell heights off the west coast to average around 2.5 meters, with the swell also coming from the southwest. Then on Tuesday, we should see mostly sunny skies for the western parts of the country. Light rain between George and Durban. Thundershowers are forecast for the eastern half of the country.